Hi everyone, David Lewis here. I want to share with you a mistake that I made many years ago that actually ended up paying dividends in how I teach and train how to sell cars. And you see, the situation is this. When my kids were little, I was concerned that they would not do very well in school. I was not the best of students when it came to being in school. So I thought I would bribe them. And I said to them, listen, if you guys get straight A's and you're good students, when you're 16 years old, I'll buy you a new car. Well, I didn't realize the smart gene skips generations, and my 3 children are very, very intelligent. Now, when they turned 16, they had straight A's throughout their years of public school. They said to me, hey, do I get a car? And I said, yes. Now, my middle daughter, I said to her, listen, I'm really busy. You go out, you shop, you look, you find what you want, and then tell it to me. And I gave her a budget to stay around. So my daughter did some shopping, and she was very smart at the time, and she actually got on the phone and called dealerships and got prices. But I'm going to tell you which one we bought the car from. See, she called and inquired about a Honda Accord. She had seen it on their website and she wanted to get some pricing information. Well, that salesperson was very, very smart. What he did was he sent her a video, a customized video of that vehicle. Actually mentioned her name. Hey, it was great talking to you, Taylor. This is the car we talked about on the phone. He opened up the doors. He did a little walk around. The whole video was probably about a minute and a half long. And you know what my daughter did? She sent me that video. It was very simple. And I looked at it and she said, Dad, that's the car that I want. I asked her the price. We negotiated the price, and that's the car we bought. Had he not sent that video, we might not have bought that car from him. So here's my thought. Every single time you get a customer on the phone that's asking you questions or inquiring about a vehicle or multiple vehicles, take a few minutes. Go out on your smartphone, shoot a quick video, post it on YouTube, send the customer the link, make sure you mention their name in the video so they know that they customized it just for you. And you know what? You're going to stick out. You're going to be unique, and you're going to be different from the other salespeople they are contacting during their shopping process. Give it some thought. I think that if you do it, you'll be pleasantly surprised. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.